Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I hope to teach you the first kind of part of speech or the first kind of word class in English that is called noun. So in this video, you will get to know what a noun is. Okay, so you will be able to identify nouns in English sentences. Right, so what is a noun? We will study in this video in detail. So let's begin. A noun is a word that names peoples. For example, a boy, a girl, a man, a woman, a teacher, or a student. So this word name people, right? It is called a noun. Next, a noun is also a word that name animals. For example, a cat, a dog, a cow, a lion, a duck, or a chicken. This word names animal. They are called noun. Okay? A noun is also a word that names things. Example, a book, a pen, a table, a chair, metal, or iron. So this word refer to thing, something. Okay? Word that refer or name some things is called a noun. Right? A noun is also a word that names places. For example, a school, a hospital, a zoo, a restaurant, or London. This is the name of the city in England, right? Like Phnom Penh, the city of Cambodia. This is a place. So it is also a noun, right? A noun is also a word that refers to natural phenomenon. For example, a storm. It is natural phenomenon, right? Earthquake. Okay? Rain. This is natural phenomenon, and they are called noun as well. What else? A noun is also a word that refers to state. For example, happiness, peace, freedom, and beauty. So these words refer to the states, and they are also noun. What else? A noun is also a word that refers to events. Event. A story that already happened, we call an event, or will be happening, we call event. For example, a concert. This is an event. It is also a noun. A war can be World War I, World War II. Yeah, this is also a noun. It is the event that already happened and can also be will be happening. Some event can be happening in the future. A party can be a wedding party, a birthday party. Is also a noun. More, a noun is also a word that refer to the time, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The 7th day of the week is also a noun. It refers to the time. January, February, March, April. The month, this is the time, and refer to it is a noun. Like the season, spring, winter, autumn, fall, and so on. This season refer to the time, and they are also noun. Last, a noun is also a word that refers to the action. The action. Okay, don't be confused with word that refer to the doing of an action. Is a verb, right? Like to walk, like to run. It is the doing of action. It is a verb. But a word that refer to action is also a noun, like dictation. dictation. Your teacher say a word and you write the word. This is dictation. We call action, right? This is a noun as well, like flight, flight, flight. F-L-Y, fly is a verb, but F-L-I-G-A-T, flight. This is the action of flying. It is the action. The word refers to action, and it is also a noun. Okay, what else? Like persuasion, like presentation. Yeah, these words refer to the action, and they are also noun. Okay, so I hope that you have understood what a noun is. So there are a lot of nouns, right? Noun is everywhere around us. So once again, a noun is a word that name people, animal, things, places, and also a word that refers to natural phenomenon, a word that refers to state, event, time, or a word that refers to action. So it's a lot, right? They are called noun. I think you have understood what a noun is, and you will be able to identify noun in English sentence. That's all for this lesson, and see you again soon in the next video. Goodbye and thank you.